Delay spread. In multipath, when identical signals arrive at the same destination at different times, the difference between the first signal to the last signal is called the delay spread. Due to this difference in time between the primary signal and the reflected signal, the receiver can have problems demodulating the RF signal's information. This can cause bits to overlap with each other, and the end result is corrupted data. This type of multipath interference is often known as inter-symbol interference. The difference of time between these signals can be measured in billionths of a second, or nanoseconds. By default, 802.11 radios have an 800 nanosecond tolerance for the delay spread, which is known as the guard interval. And newer technologies with 802.11 may use even shorter guard intervals. As stated on the previous slide, newer technologies use MIMO, which makes use of the multiple reflected signals to improve communication.